Coolant flushes are one of the most overlooked maintenance items, yet they are crucial for the longevity of your vehicle's engine. Most manufacturers recommend performing a coolant flush every 100,000 kilometers or every 5 years, whichever comes first. Over time, coolant degrades and loses its protective properties, becoming acidic and leading to corrosion within the cooling system. This corrosion can cause significant damage to components such as the radiator, water pump, and engine block, potentially resulting in costly repairs. At Active Green and Ross, we understand the importance of regular vehicle maintenance. Our comprehensive digital inspections ensure that all your vehicle's fluids, including coolant, are in optimal condition. Don't wait for warning signs. Proactive maintenance can save you from unexpected breakdowns and expensive repairs. Visit your nearest Active Green and Ross location today for a coolant flush and a full vehicle inspection. Thank you for supporting a proudly Canadian business. We look forward to serving you.